Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic. Google Pixel 8 Pro. Reports have been revealed about the major design changes. Let's dive in deep. 12 GB of RAM, 128 GB storage, 50 megapixel primary camera lens, 64 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel telephoto camera. Phone's render has shared photos on Reddit, breaking the NDA in the process. From the hands-on photos, it's evident that Pixel 8 Pro will have notably round edges than in predecessors. This corroborates a previous leak that had indicated the Pixel 8's display curvature would be twice that of the Pixel 7 Pro. This should help make the phone more ergonomic and pocket-friendly. It also confirms the phone will ship a flat display. Phone's fast boot screen confirms its Husky codename, with the unit having 12 GB of Samsung supplied RAM and 128 GB storage. With clear view of triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary sensor and a larger 64 megapixel Sony ultra-wide sensor, coupled with the faster ISP of Tensor G3 chip and staggered HDR. These upgrades should lead to noticeable bump in the image quality of the upcoming Pixels. The Google Pixel 8 Pro looks quite sleek in the hands-on image. Though this is a test prototype and a retail unit, come back some minor design changes. Expect more Pixel 8 hands-on photos to pop up before its debut in October this year. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.